Hi everyone, bringing you the fourth episode of Inktober 2024 Brainstorming Prompt series. If you are new to Inktober, let me introduce you to it with the video linked in description. You'll also find a link to the playlist which has all the previous prompts explored. Without much ado, let's brainstorm exotic. You can draw an exotic place, a less frequently visited place with waterfalls, or a hidden dense jungle. Exotic animals like chameleon. There are exotic birds like vibrant colored peacocks or tropical birds. We only get to see them in zoo nowadays. You can draw exotic plants like rare orchids or carnivorous plants. For exotic food, you can sketch a chef making an exotic dish, a traveler in a far off place trying an exotic cuisine that's very different from his native culture and ways. If you have a character for Inktober that you're using in every prompt, the character could be sitting in a restaurant with a napkin tied around its neck and looking at a waiter present an exotic dish on the table. Exotic fruits like star fruit and dragon fruit can also be good subjects for a sketch. You can draw an exotic underwater scene full of strange, unusual marine life like jellyfish, corals, seahorses, etc. A busy exotic marketplace with unusual things from different cultures. You can draw exotic jewelry made with unusual stones, or a whole new exotic world with landscapes, plants, and creatures of our own imagination. I hope this helps. Add more to this by sharing your ideas in comments and feel free to tag me in your Inktober sketches on Instagram to be featured on my story. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with the next prompt. Binoculars.